the format such that they can have a shillings symbol and maybe a comma separator after, and a comma separator after they'll have a comma separator after 3 digits. Now when I tap on number, I'll come here where there is format and there is general number. I'll remove the general number. I want to put UBX. So what I do is I open quotes and put UBX, close quotes, space, hash, comma, and I put 3 other hashes. That is the format that is supposed to be put on all the number format that are particularly monetary values. So open quotes, UBX, close quotes, space, hash, comma, hash, hash, hash. Then I go to interest. It is also a monetary field. I remove general number, open quotes, UBX, close quotes, space, hash, comma, hash, hash, hash. Then I go to number, to total payment. I tap there. Open quotes, UBX, close quotes, space, hash, comma, hash, hash, hash. Lastly, savings. Now this one already has this, so what I will do, in front of it I will put UBX, close quotes, and just put a space like that. So I guess that is what I want for my table.